Hello students. In this session I will explain you how to do your PowerPoint assessment. You have to go into your Google Classroom, from Google Classroom classwork week 5 PPT assessment. Just click on that and and then you see view material. Click on view material. I have uploaded all the related files and the materials and everything you need to do the assessment. So you have to open presentation assessment, and this presentation assessment you have to download it. What you do is either you can open with Google Classroom, Google Docs if you like. If you don't have any other software, you can open it from Google Docs and work on it. Or what you do is you just right click on the presentation, open link in new tab, and that will open your presentation assessment documents here down at the bottom, and click on open. So it will open when it is ready to open, which I have done it already. It will open up this for software. I don't want that again, so I'm just going to close this, and make sure you click on enable editing so that it will allow you to work on it. It's protected, so click on enable editing. Now where it says student name, type your name. Where it says student name, type your name, not my name, your name. Where it says course name, type level 2 ICT. Group, leave it blank because every class has a different group. And then scroll the mouse down. Learner, where it says learner name, write your name. And learner comments. Learner comments. A learner comment. I want this learner comments. Write your feedback about the assessment, what you have learned, and what did you do in your assessment. Learn your few comments. I want this assessment Microsoft Word file back because I have to attach it to your files. The first page I want, and also the second page I want. Okay, please send it to me as an attachment along with your other assessment files once you complete. Scenario: you have been asked to produce an environmental awareness e-presentation for Anti-Pollution Day in Newham College this year. Your presentation will be displayed on digital display screens throughout the college premises. To produce the presentation, you will need the following files: pollutions text, Newham logo, Save Planet, water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, light pollution, noise pollution, which are all images, and the deaths. These files you will find it on your Google Classroom. All those related files you will find it in your Google Classroom, students. Okay, and then next is task 1. Let's go on to the task 1. In this task you will prepare master slide for the presentation that will be used to create slides. Spelling mistake here. 1 is start up MS PowerPoint presentation application and create a new blank presentation, which I have done it, and go to the master view. Click on view slide master and make sure you click on first slide, and then set up the master slide as follows. Background text for all slides is sans serif. Change the font style of all the text to whatever font style you prefer. Just highlight it, and under home tab you change the font style to any other font style you prefer, students. And even this also, I'm just clicking on the one here. Okay, then footer, item footer, small automatic date, your name and slide number. You have to insert header and footer, date and time, slide number, footer. Type your name, not my name, your name, and click on apply to all. you will see the date, name, and you will see that symbol, but when you go back to your normal view you will see the numbers, so don't worry about that. Master title, large, bold, bold, center, dark gray, text box color dark gray, text color white. So this you want it to be large, so we don't have large here, so 44, 48, whatever you like, you select it, and then align center, and this box shape color, this box should be filled with the gray, so I'm just going to fill it with the gray, and the font color to be white. Okay, next part. Master subtitle, medium, text align center, text color back. You don't have subtitle here. Subtitle is in this second slide. I click on this, and then that text, they want it to be black in color. Yeah, black in color, or any other changes? Okay, that's it. First level bullet, medium, bold, any bullet color, first level bullet. Now you have to go back to your first slide again. This is your first level. They want it to be medium font size. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to make it bold, which is bold already. Bold, and I'm just going to change it to any other bullet character. The second level, they want it to be italic, so I'm just going to change it to italic, and any other bullet character. Okay, after that 3, insert Newham logo and place it at top right. You may need to resize the image. Do not distort the image and overlap with master title. You need to insert a Newham logo. Where is that Newham logo? It is in your Google Classroom. Open the Newham logo. Please make use of the same files that I have given to you. Copy that image and go back to your presentation and paste it. Lot of things what you're doing in this assessment is you're copying and pasting, I'm going to reduce the size a bit, then I'm going to place it on top of the corner so it is not overlapping any other text in there. So display automatic date, slide number except the title slide, which you can select it when you are inserting header and footer. Save the presentation as pollution_01. I'm just going to save it as I'm going to save it on my desktop because it's easy for me to find it out. So I'm just going to find it as pollution. Don't worry about the spelling mistake. There's a reason why I made this mistake. I've been saving this work so many times since morning. This is my 4th attempt to make my video tutorial. All my Saturdays and Sundays goes on just this. Save the presentation. I saved the work. Okay. Task 2. Prepare the text. Each slide is provided text file called pollution.txt, which is in your Google Classroom, and all images are saved in the images folder in your account. Now students, this should be close the master view. Okay, not using the master view. Close the master view. Close the master view. It should be close the master view, students, and create the title slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this master view, slide master. I'm going to close it, and this is my title view. Key in master title, save our planet. First you write it as save our planet, and the next one is key in subtitle, anti-pollution day. Anti-pollution day. Insert the save planet image in between the master title and subtitle. You may need to resize the image. Make sure not to distort the image when you resize it, not to overlap with the titles. So what you do is you have to insert that image called save planet. Where is this image? It is in your Classroom, Google Classroom. Save planet image, and right click, copy the image, and you have to place it in between these two. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit so that I have space for to insert my image. So I'm just going to right click and paste it. and I'm going to reduce this size of it. Okay, that's done. Next part is save your work, which I will save it. Add a new slide to enter the master slider and bulleted list. I'll save my work because it's the same file name. I'll just go with that, and I'm going to go get my new slide from here. I'll get the new slide, and this, if it is overlapping, students, you can slightly from here also you can just reduce the size. You see that? You can do that too. And then from here you need to okay, open pollution.txt. Where is that file? It is in your Google Classroom. This time I'm just going to double click on it. I will open with yeah, I'll just open with Google Docs, and I'll keep it students, so that I don't have to close it, open it, close it, open it all the time. It's just there. Okay, Google Docs. I'll just set it in. This will be an example for you to work on your Google documents too. Now, master title, introduction to pollution. What I do is I'm just going to highlight it, copy that point, I just got it. I'm just going to click on these things. See, it is very much similar. You will find all those tools that you use in Microsoft Word to do the work. So I'm just going to right click on it, copy that point, and then I'm just going to paste it here. And here the you don't have the bullet, you don't need to use the bullet character for that. I'm just going to go back to my file. This was the file. I need to have this short paragraph. In your thing. Okay, I don't need the bullet points, so I'm just going to take the bullet points off. They say get rid of the bullet point. Okay, copy prepared master, which I did. Now insert the following flow chart below the paragraph. So you need to insert that flow chart below this paragraph here. I'll go into insert smart art hierarchy, and this is the one. I'm going to say okay to that. Delete that, and then this is should be, I'm just going to copy that, types of pollution: air, water, land, water, land, add shape after land, noise. I'm just going to add another shape after that, add noise and light. If you feel free to do some font size, font style, if you want to do something in there, or to change the box's color, please do that. It's okay. Any improvisation you like to do, add on to that, but keep the information intact. 3a, add a new slide 3 which enable you to enter the master title and bullet slide, and copy prepared master title for slide 3 and paste it into the master title. What I will do is I will add the slide again. I will add the slide, and then you have to go back to your text file, this file. Students, in case if it is missing, don't panic, it's just here somewhere there on top. Okay, so most of the students will be like, oh, what do I do? I lost the file. No, you haven't lost the file, it's just there. Oh, see it clearly. Causes of air pollution, I'm just going to copy that heading, and then I'm going to paste it here. If it goes up, don't worry, just bring it down. And then the bullet list, this is the bullet list. I'm just going to highlight it, copy the bullet list and paste it there. There you go. what extra bullet points, I don't want that. And then next, what they want us to do. On slide 3, demote the following bullets to second level. Demote in the sense these are the sub bullet points. Click at the beginning of that volcanic eruptions and press tab on your keyboard. Press tab on the keyboard. This also, press tab on the keyboard. Now under man-made resources, deforestation, click there, press tab on the keyboard. There, tab, press tab, and then press tab. Now I guess you have to insert air pollution image on the right hand side of the bullet list. Where is this image? It's in your Google Classroom. It opens up in different tabs. Just click on that and you can go back here, and that was the air pollution image. Just right click that, copy the image, and then come back to your pollutions here, the file that you're working on, right click and then paste it. So the main thing is also you're also learning how to copy paste the images, and also you're working on a different tabs to move the files in between the pages. So see, many things you're doing, students. If you guess this is overlapping the logo, okay, no problem. Let's just reduce that bit. Right, that's done. Next, move on to the other fourth slide. Again, students, this slide is a fourth slide, and copy the information and need to insert the water pollution image. So I will add another slide to it. Now copy the points from your this tab which you have opened, the fourth point tab. Fourth point tab. I'm just going to scroll the page down. Now causes of water pollution, I'm just going to highlight it, copy that, paste it. Causes of water pollution, I'm just going to bring that. It may not happen to you, but for some reason it's happening in my page, so don't worry about that. And then I'm going to copy the paste, marine dumping, industrial sewage, and the links. And I'm just going to copy this. Right, I did that, I did extra there. And also maybe they're asking us to get a picture. So week 5, I'll go back here. What was that pollution? Forgot. Water pollution. Water pollution image. Water is here. Right click, copy image, and paste the image. Copying and pasting. All this assessment is copying and pasting. Okay, I'm done with the fourth one. Add a new slide 5 and copy the points, I guess. That's what it is. Add one more slide, new slide 5. Copy the points from your pollution.txt image which you have opened in your Google documents, or however you have opened it. Cause of land pollution. Right click, copy, and I'm just gonna add that as a text in there. Control V, and then I'm going to copy the points. I'm going to paste the points. Let's read what's given in there. On slide 5, demote the following bullets to second level: highly toxic fertilizer and use of pesticide. That need to be, just press the tab and use of pesticide. And then they want us to get the land pollution image. It's in your classroom. Go back there, land pollution image. Right click, copy the image, and then just paste it here. I'm also worried about the timing. It's already 20 minutes video, so I will be breaking into 2 parts, students, and I'll explain the next task, and then I will stop this video and I'll have one more video for the remaining task. Add sixth slide, new slide. and then I'm sure you have to go back here, pollutions, and copy the information from there. Causes of noise pollution, copy that, and then I have to copy the points from there. I don't want that extra. Okay, let's see what's next there. Alright, no picture in there. Spell check your presentation. Yes, do the spell check to ensure that all the steps in task 2 is completed. Save your work, keeping the save file name. Make sure you save your work now. Just save your work. Print the slide as handout 6 to your page and close the presentation, because you will not send me the printout. Save your work and you will send me that saved file as an attachment, along with the other part, the remaining part, which I'm going to explain my next video tutorial. I'll see you soon.